Hi everyone, it's Donna from Florida Insurance Agency. How about a quick appetizer for either New Year's Eve or to just eat all day New Year's? Very simple. Done it. A pound of frozen meatballs. If you want to be energetic, make your own, but otherwise just open up a bag of frozen meatballs. Jelly, sriracha, and barbecue sauce. If you don't like that combination, you can add something else. But make sure you do add the jelly, though, the grape jelly. That's the key. Give it like a sweet and sour, whatever you like as a kick. Whatever kind of barbecue sauce you even like. You can just do that. Combine that all. Put it over the frozen meatballs in your crock pot. Low, 4 to 5 hours, and you are done. There you go for an appetizer. Grape jelly